Adana Metro is a rail rapid transit system extending 13.9 kilometers along a north-south corridor through Adana with 13 stations. It can transport 21,600 passengers per hour per direction. The total travel time on the metro end-to-end takes 21 minutes, including all stops. The Adana Metro opened for full public service on 14 May 2010. Adana Metro is a 13.9 km long double-track rail line, of which 3.5 kilometers is underground, 2.5 kilometers is in trench, 5.3 kilometers is elevated and 2.55 kilometers is at grade. The metro runs from 6 AM to 11:30 PM every day, running every 10 minutes during weekday peak hours and every 15 minutes at other times, such as weekends. The line starts from the metro car depot west of the Hospital for Mental Health. Following Turgut Özal Boulevard, the line reaches Anadolu Lycée, then turns south and follows Alparslan Turks Boulevard, crosses TCDD rail tracks near the City Hall, and enters southern Adana passing the D400 State Road. It then heads to the west of the Hocavezir Commercial Center and the Harriet Police Station until it reaches the Seyhan River. Crossing the river just north of the Regulator Bridge, the line heads north, again crossing the D400 State Road and ends next to Urugir bus terminal. The metro has a total of 13 stations, of which 4 are underground, 5 are elevated and 4 are on the surface. All the stations are equipped with escalators and elevators for the disabled. The metro fleet consists of 36 Hyundai Roturn LRV cars, with each having the capacity for 311 passengers. Each train runs in 3 car sets with a capacity to carry up to 933 passengers. The vehicles can travel at up to 80 km per hour in between the stations. The metro is fully secure and monitored by SCADA remote controlling system. Adana Metro will be extended from Akınsaylar to the Kakurova University main campus second stage project. The extension will be 9.3 km long and will have 7 stations. Once the extension is completed, the Adana Metro will be 23.3 km in length and serve 20 stations, and will be able to transport 660,000 daily. There are also plans to run a suburban rail line on existing railway with connections to the metro.